there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about RHEL 5. So RHEL 5 is work and theory of disk driving with single distributed parity. So for example, we have a picture and 4 hard disk is available. Now what exactly they did for example, the combination of block 1A and block 2A will be a parity and will be available in the third hard disk, and for example block 3A and block 2A will have a parity and will be available on disk 1's parity. So it's like it's basically created in a stripe form, and the parity created, and these devices, the combination of 2 hard disks or 3 hard disks will be available in the parity form of 4th hard disk. So same, for example, second and third, fourth combination of parity will be available in disk 1. So between squeeze form will be one part of the 4th stripe will be dedicated for the parity, and the parity is basically the combination of data from surrounding or from the native hard disk. For example, 2, 3, 4 data will be available in the parity form of this 1. So this is a single distributed parity, and disk driving means parity, which we are saying. So these are on striping form. So basically we require at least 3 or 4 hard disks to use it, and 3 is maximum, minimum we could see. Now wants to use the partitions. So currently SDC1, SDB1 and SDD1 is not available. So let me create first. So for example, the command is fdisk /dev/sdb. We want to create a primary partition P, the partition number 1 by default, and wants to create for the 100 MB. So P for print and W for saving the partition. Okay, clear. Now we are to create another partition of disk third, which is SDC, and for creating partition, P for primary partition, the number of the primary partition 1 and the 100 MB size, P for print and W for saving. Now the fourth partition, which is fdisk /dv/sdd. Now, and for creating partition, P for, you can see printing for P, and for creating P for primary partition number 1 and the default value for 1, and the partition was to create up to 100 MB. W for saving those, and again the partition, to see the partition, we'll just give a command fdisk -l, and you can see SDB1, SDC1, SDD1 is just created by us. So now we use these partitions to create on the RHEL 5. So what we're going to do, the command will be same, mdadm -create /dev md0, whatever name you want to give, --label equals to 5, because we're creating RHEL 5, and --RHEL devices, so we want to use 3. So we are using 3. Now /dev /sdb1 /dev /sdc1 /dv sdd1. Okay, so continue there. I'm saying yes, and it started. So we just created the array, just created the red, but you can check about the details, mdatm hyphen hyphen details, and the name of the person. Okay, so what we need to do now, we have to basically format it to use mkfx dot extension 4 slash dev slash md0, and hit enter, and it will format. Okay, now clear, and we now needs to mount it for making it usable. So mount, nothing is mounted right now, so clear screen, and mkdir, I'm just making directory before to mount it. So red 5. Now mounting process, mount slash dv slash md0 slash on red 5. Clear. Okay, so you can see it's mount on red 5, extension type is 4. Okay, clear. So if you want to destroy in the near future, then again we have to first unmount and the Persian dude, and then you have to stop the array, so stop the red. Okay, so same the command umount base slash red 5, and then nothing is available. Now you need to stop. So what we're going to do, we're going to write is mdadm hyphen stop, and the device name is slash dv slash md0. It's stopped. Now you can find out the details. If it's running, then we're surely available. So okay, we didn't use the command, so let me wrote this. So mdadm, and then hyphen details slash dv slash md0. So it's not available, you can see. So I hope you learned something about how to create red 5 in Linux. Thanks for watching.